Hi, my name is Samuel. I represent Singularity Tooling and Engineering Concepts, India Private Limited, an ISO 9000 certified company for quality management systems. We have our mascot here with the charger on them. Today we are going to unbox the Go-On USB charger for motorcycles and scooters. I'm going to also share a bit more information of how the product was designed. Typically, we came up with a design for handlebar, more sporty look. We also thought about engineering it around the chassis that could be more hidden, and so we came up with a very generic design that would fit most bikes, and the mounting was very easy, a DIY kind of charger that you could buy and install it yourself. So let me share what is there today with us here. We have water in the jar to demonstrate waterproof. We have a battery. We are going to connect the device to the battery and power up the device. We have the device by itself. We have a phone to show you the charging. We have the special plastics that have been used. These are UV grade plastics. They are very, very high-end plastics meant for automotive activities. They are UV stabilized. They are made by DuPont, and we have polycarbonate, which constitutes to the major components in the charger. The polycarbonate is very resilient material, and the design by itself, the bike is parked outside in the hot sun. The design by itself is multi-jacketed, so it laminates from the heat outside. Your electronics do not see the temperature of the surface, hence they work smoothly. They don't reach more than 60 degrees, and they work absolutely fine, staying sub below that number. And let's look at opening the box now. The Go-On charger by itself is packed in a carton box, eco-friendly. That was the thought behind it, and clearly describes that it's waterproof, 3 amps, 5 volts on USB, gives you date of manufacturing of the product, Make in India symbol, proudly, talks about the colors that are there, gives you our website. Now let's look at what are the features described here. We have easy charging on the go, standard USB port, high speed power for your devices. It can not only charge, it can also provide constant current to devices like GoPro camera and other cameras that may demand high current. We have best price and covers 1 year warranty without questions asked. So we support you on that. Now let's unbox and see what's inside. We have a neatly packed charger inside in a poly pack. We have an instruction manual which shows what are the options, how to install this device. So it has an electrical drawing and has the mounting instructions. So let's look at the electrical options that we have. We have option A and option B. Option A recommends that you connect the charger through the ignition system. Option B, more simpler, connects through directly to the battery. We recommend this because our idle draw of our charger is 0.003, which means it will take 5 years to discharge a battery of this size on staying idle. Now, this is most recommended B, because if you have a new vehicle, you do not want to tamper with your ignition system, go directly connecting it with the battery. We have the detailed warranty card inside, but we also provide you no questions asked warranty. We replace the component. Let's cut open the poly pack. There are 3 separate items inside, 2 cable ties. So in case you get it wrong the first time, we give you an additional one. We have a dampening pad that is responsible to dampen the vibrations coming from your engine over to the handle and reaching the charger. The charger by itself comes with a 2 meters length of wire to take care of most bikes. to reach handle to the battery. Ignition systems require much lower than this. Let's look at what we have at the end of the wire. We have the positive line with an aluminum lug, has an inline fuse. The negative terminal is a black in color, has the same lug on the end. So we have two ends and the charger by itself. Now let's look at the charger and its features. It comes jacketed, multi-jacketed, has a stainless steel USB. The USB connector is not tin coated or nickel coated. It is stainless steel. We'll demonstrate that to you. We have a polyurethane water and dust cover that locks on. Now let's see how simple is it to actually connect it to the battery and get it on your handlebar. We need a screwdriver. I will connect the positive terminal to the positive terminal on the battery. We have a symbol here which says positive. We have the negative terminal going to the negative port. There you go. We have now successfully connected the device. To see whether we have connected, you can see the light inside is now on and it's visible. So it helps you locate the USB during dark night time, right? And let me also demonstrate to you that we have a magnet here and we have an object that the magnet attracts, right? To show you that it's absolutely stainless steel, I would like to show you that there is no sticking with the USB. Now, most people having it on the handlebar would have concerns if they left it on, if somebody tampered with it. So I'm taking a stainless steel and shorting the terminals directly. I'm shorting the terminals inside and seeing if any damage can be caused. We have a forward circuit protection which protects from such shorts and ensures that the device remains safe and always working. Let's see, after shorting, do we still have charging? We have charging. Now I will demonstrate to you the features which is most important. Most bikers ask us if it is waterproof. So I will demonstrate the waterproof by actually dipping the whole device right into the jar here full of water. We have collected enough water inside. Just to show you, I will show you that there is water inside. Let me do that again. Get all the water that I require inside and there you go. I am going to connect the charger back and see if we have charging. Of course, we have charging there. And to give you detail that we have still water inside, yes, we had water inside there. So we have demonstrated to you today that the forward circuit is protected from any shorts, tampering. We have demonstrated waterproof to you. We have also demonstrated the stainless steel connector, and now I will show you a simple installation as to how easy it is to install this device. All we require to do is, we have provided a slot here. We need to pass the cable tie through the slot. We have a snug fitting section here that mates with our dampening pad, absolutely there. I am using the small bar here to represent the form factor of a handlebar. Imagine that's your handlebar. All you need to do is go through this, pull, tighten. That's it. We have the charger now installed on a handlebar, and there you go. We have power still running there and closed on. Should you have any questions about the demonstration or the product, please visit our website. Write to us. We will be more than glad to answer you. And we want to see the smile. And that's why we say the charge on your phone is as big as the smile on your face. Thank you.